Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. I'm at pit race today, driving the Supra for an autocross. The last time I took it, it was such a blast. I've only autocrossed it once, so I had to bring it back on this beautiful day at pit race for some fun. So we'll see how we do. All right, guys, this is the start of the first run, and of course, it's always you got to learn the course the first run. So take it slow. Lots of turns on this one, so hopefully I'll get it. But as far as the car is concerned, I have it in Sport Plus mode. That's the newly programmed mode. Definitely check out that video if you haven't seen it to get Sport Plus for the most instant throttle response. I have all the safety systems turned off, and I have traction stability control turned off. Press and hold that button until you see VSC off on the dash. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Tail happy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, running out of gear there.
You got way more torque than I have.
Oh yeah, I gotta shift to third. Oh shit, I lost the gear too. See, auto's better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's first? Oh.
Too much torque for your own good.
Yeah, I know. See, I just get tail happy fun instead of trying to just do a good time, but
the torque comes on fast though.
There's no lag in this thing.
There's no delay, is there?
That's why I like it. This is a fun run. I think the tires got a little heated on this time. Alright, I think he's telling me to go. These 4S's are doing great. They're not overheating on an autocross at shorts. .52.7, that was my fastest. 52.7, kept it a lot cleaner. That's gonna wrap it up today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment below if you've done some autocross or track days. I do road course racing as well up here at Pit Race. It's an awesome complex here near Pittsburgh. So comment below if you've done those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.